Alright, so this is just a little taste of the Baja Designs OnX6 30-inch curved light bar. This is, like I said, this is connected up to the high beams, and boy is it bright. Like, I don't know if you could just tell, but on that orange street or yellow street sign that we just passed, it is borderline too bright. Like, the reflection that you get back off of it from this light bar is incredibly bright. Like, that street sign, you probably could kind of tell in the video that it was pretty bright. It is very freaking bright. I've been on like some back roads where you end up having a whole bunch of street signs stacked up on top of each other, kind of a thing, and I've actually turned the light bar off several times because it is so stinking bright. So regular headlights. Here, I'll just do high beams. So, and then here's just high beams, right? So just regular high beams, low beams, high beams, and daylight. So cool. So cool. So this is definitely gonna work for me. Like I said, I just want to be able to have that center light bar, like, because essentially it's three 10-inch light bars, right? So that center one that's mainly, facing just forward, I want that to be able to reach out a little bit further. So, like I said, I already ordered just a full spot, lens for it and stuff. So that'll be, it should be here in a few days. Overall, 10 out of 10. Once again, Baja Designs, cannot recommend them enough. I will tell you, it's kind of like firearms. Once you own one, you want to own them all. Like, it is a slippery slope because they are all so stinking good, and there's so many different uses for them. Like, I even run them on our heavy equipment and stuff like that now too, because they're so stinking good, and they're indestructible too. Like, not to mention, like, the light output is great, but god dang, you can't break the damn things. So hopefully this helps somebody make up their mind on their buying decision and stuff like that. I'll put a link in the description below to everything, that way you guys can kind of find it and stuff like that. So hopefully this helps when you're out there. So see you guys later.